So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hey friends, welcome back again. Here I like to show you how you can create running total or basically tracking of customers complaints. So the open issues. So we have an Excel file for example here. We have open date and the close date here. So for this particular time frame we have open cases. So you can say it is customer complaints. Then we have closed cases. So you can say resolved complaints you can say. So what I want is I want the you can say you can see here we have five open issues, that is five open complaints here. From that we solved zero, so means difference of this means 5 minus 0 means we have five open cases, you can say difference. Then the active issues, so you can say we have five active issues. Then 5 plus 3 so means 8. 8 minus 4 means here we have 4, and also active issues also 4. Then 4 plus 9, sorry, 4 plus 5 means 9 here. 9 minus 2 here, we have 7. Yeah, then we have 7 active issues. Then like 7 plus 10 means 17 here. Then from the 17 minus 5 we have 12 active issues. So 12 plus 1 means 13. Then 13 minus 1 means we have 12 active issues. So let's see how we can do this using Power BI. So I'll go to this Power BI and let's click on open data from Excel, and let's click on this customer issues. Let's open this and let's click on this. Let's click on transform data here. Here I'll be creating a difference column here and the index column. Let's quickly do this. So let's go to this add column here and let's click on custom column here, and here I'll just rename this to difference difference, yeah. And this is my open cases minus closed cases. It should be minus here. Let's click on OK here, and let's click on this and let's change this type to whole number, and let's create an index column also. Let's click on this index column here. You can also create from 0, from 1, or you can add a custom column too. Let's click on from 0 here for now, and let's click on close and apply here. Now here let's quickly visualize this. So it's, yeah, let's click on table here and let's add open date, close date, and I want just to be displayed open date. I don't want this date hierarchy. Let's click on open date here, and let's do the same for this close date also. Let's increase the values to, let's say, 16, yeah, 17, yeah. And let's increase the column headers to, let's say, 17 and make it bold here. Now what I want is I don't want this format to display. Let's change this format to, let's just select this open date and let's go to this format option, and let's select short date here, and let's do the same for this close date also. Yeah, now let's add this index column here. Let's add this here, and you can see here this is by default it is summing up. So let's click on this and let's change this to don't summarize, and let's drag this to this upwards here. Yeah, and let's just sort this here. Yeah, now what I'll do, I'll add open cases and the close cases and also the difference. Yeah, here let's now you can see here we have 5 minus 0 means 5 here, then 3 minus 4 means minus 1. So it is just to see a difference of these two columns. Now let's create a active cases. So let's create that using DAX functions here. Let's click on new measure here. Yeah, now this is my active cases, that is equal to, let's go to new line here. So that is simply using, let's use a calculate function here. For the expression here, I'm using sum of the difference here. I will tell what I'm doing here. Just wait for a sec. Here for the filter expression here, I'll be using a filter table here, and I'm using all function here to remove any external filters which is applied to those to these customers issues here. And for the filter expression, what I'm doing here is I'm using index column. This should be less than or equal to max of what, this index column. Let's change this to new line here. Now what I'm doing is I'm using calculate function and I'm summing up the differences. So I'm doing the running total using a filter table here. I'm using all function here to remove any external filters which is applied to this customer issues. And here for the filter expression, I'm using this index column, that is I'm saying this 0, if this 0 is less than or equal to 4, yes, then do the difference, that is do the sum of this. So means for the first is 5, so sum of 5 means 5 here. Then do the same, that is 1 is less than or equal to 4, then do the sum of difference. So that's how we are doing this. So let's enter this and let's add this to our visual here. Let's increase the values so you can see better. Let's say 24. Yeah, and let's remove this difference column, and let's increase this values again. Yeah, now you can see here we have 5 open cases, that is 5 customers complaints. From that we resolved 0 cases, so means we have 5 active cases. Then we have 3 open cases still arrived here, that is from the customers. So 5 plus 3 means 8. From this 8 we solved 4 cases, so remaining was 4. Then 4 plus 5 means we have 9 open issues. From this 9 we solved 2 cases, so remaining 7 cases. So 7 plus 10 means 17. From that 17 we solved 5 cases, so remaining is 12. So 12 plus 1 means 13. From this 13 we solved 1 cases, so remaining is 12. So at last you can see here we need to solve 12 open issues. So that's how we can calculate using using the customer sorry using the Power BI DAX functions here. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.